It's a disco party. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna freaking unbox this. Let's get to it. Let's take these babies out. And there was nothing else. At least it was bubble wrapped. Lots of bubble wrap. For a second I was like, it's black. It looks like the old one. Like, did they just send me the same old one? Nice little plastic. It's so light, bro. Like, I'm so confused. I'm gonna need to go get batteries. Bro, I think I like the old box better. Let me go get the old box. This box is like, and this thing is like, bruh, version 2? Is it actually better? Like, apparently there's Bluetooth on this thing. Bro, look at this. Like, the difference though. And this is still heavier. Like, the original one's still heavier. Bro, look at this. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but like, see if on this camera picks it up. That shit, like, this is, it's not cool. Not as cool. Like, bruh, and it's like plastic, and this thing is like an actual box. Let's see. Bruh, why is it hard? Here we go. Here we go. There's bubble wrap in here. It's the black one. Can't even tell the difference. Like, that box is also black. Like, I got Yongbin. Or no, wait. Just kidding. This was just the stack of photo cards. Where's the other photo card? Where's the other? There's a manual. I'm confused. Here's the strap. Damn, she's thick. She a thick one. I low-key don't like it thick. The bottom half looks like something put for coffee or something. I don't know. There's nothing else in this box. Damn, that looks so dope. The SF9 inside is 3D. Oh my gosh, the gold rings. Damn, that looks. They move. They freaking move. Let me show you. It's like 3D acrylic SF9 in there. How do you make this thing move inside, dude? It'll be so dope if you turn it on and it starts spinning. I don't know if you can see it move. But dude, it looks the exact same. The button's like a lot higher too. Well, it looks the exact same as the old one. And then the strap's like different. Low-key, feel like it's a downgrade, honestly. I really like the first one better. Bruh. We got glitter on this. Like, are you kidding me? Like, you can't beat this. Maybe a little for the inside, because the inside was just like a little 2D thing. But bro, the strap was so cute. Like, the strap is like way better. Why didn't they use their logos in the first place? Maybe it was too small. But bruh, I don't like this texture at all. Even though they're pretty similar in texture. Let me show you this. Wow, Insong looks like someone just dragged his ass here to take the picture. Wow, Jaehoon. Bruh. Bruh, cute. Bruh. Rowan looks like he got dragged, like he was sleeping and they woke him up to take this picture. Zuho was just producing stuff. Cute. So like, why is Hyung and Dawan the only one in this room? Everyone else just got the white wall. Look at Chani. I'm so confused. I didn't really look at the thing. Are we supposed to get like a special photo card, or are we just supposed to get all these photo cards? This is the component. So it says photo card set, so that means it's just a set and not like a one person photo card. So yeah, it's bigger, but it's somehow lighter. What? Like, I guess that's a good thing because like you don't want to carry a heavy ass thing. But I mean, I don't have batteries in this, and I do have batteries in this. Let me go find more batteries and put it in the new one. So it's pretty much the same way as the old one, except more twisty. Same plastic. Made in China. This freaking feels so janky, man. There's a 3-month warranty. Just 3 months. Sweet. Dude, it's bright as hails. The battery died on this. Oh yeah, dude. Can you see the difference in this? Sorry, there's like the window light, sunlight, but bruh. It's like definitely like a lot wider and lighter. Oh snap. No, not Bluetooth! Turn it off! Accidentally pressed the Bluetooth. How do I turn it off? Ah! Tell me how to turn it off. Cool. I just held it for another 3 seconds. So the light, the buttons, pretty much the same. Definitely this is still heavier, just by a little bit. That's so dope. Look at it spin. It's so hard to see it spin. And it flashes. This one flashes. This one flashes faster. Just by a little bit. I can't tell. I don't want to die. Let's open this baby. I've dented it. Bruh. Oh my gosh, it already looks so pretty white. Oh ho ho. The white one's so pretty. Bruh. The white and gold. I'll show you this close up. Bruh. Again, this says made in China. There's a white strap, bruh. That's so cute. I didn't think they were gonna actually have a different color strap, bruh. That's cute AF. Bruh. I'm in love with the white one. Not because I'm racist, but like, it's probably because I'm racist, but I love the white one. It's so pretty. Should I put on the straps? Bro, the white straps got me shook. Got me real shook. This white, oh, it's so pretty. But it's gonna get so dirty. Let me put on the other strap. Bro, what if you mix and match it? That'd be so cute. Boom. The black strap is on. I honestly like this strap for the logo, and it's like in gold color. I don't really like the texture or how thick it is. But I mean, I could get used to the thickness of it. I love how the rings move a little. I wish they moved more. Hopefully, like the Bluetooth thing also like controls the spinning, because that'll be super dope. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Oof. I wish I could go to a concert just to see this in action. I'm just imagining just standing there and it's just like changing colors on its own, like that would be so pretty. And then the white ones, oh my gosh, this white one, I think I'm just so used to the black one that like the first version was only in black, so I'm so used to it, and like this white one just like it's different. Okay, it's nighttime, let's do this. I downloaded the app and I need to put batteries in this. Press the button for 3 seconds. Connect. Hold your smartphone close to the light stick. Pair. Yes. We have the power! Oh my god. That's so dope. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. What are these tap things? Blackout? What's a blackout? Let's do this. Oh, it turns it off, but you have to hold it. Check battery status. The battery mini. Okay then. That's pretty cool though. That is super dope. What is tap 1? Whoa, bro, what happened to color? Tap 1? Huh? What's tap 1? Tap 2? Tap 3? I don't know how this works. Oh, this thingy right here goes like that. That's so cool. I don't know what these tap things are. Are these like when you want to change it? How do I change it now? Delete color, yes. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I'm gonna choose my favorite color. I don't know what my favorite color is. I think I like this blue one. Make it the second one. And then I'm gonna make the third one pink. Like right there. Or maybe delete this color. Tap. Okay, cool. Now it's the first tap is the orange one, second tap is the blue one, tap 3 is the pink. Cool. I love this. And then the blackout, or we can like change the like opacity of it, or how the brightness. That's so cool. I still love this white one. It's so cool. I think I really like the blue color. Bruh, it's gonna be so legit in concerts when it changes colors. Like, it's just like it's a disco party. How do I turn this off? Stop. I tell you to stop. We're exiting. That's how you know it turned off. Okay then. Okay, bye. Bye. I hope everyone gets their light stick out. I hope everyone gets a light stick. They're so pretty, especially the white one. If I would recommend getting one out of the two, it would definitely be the white one. Especially if you have the old one already, the first version. Definitely go for the white one because it's like something different, but like also at the same time something familiar in that like they're basically the same shape and stuff, but like it's a little bigger and their design's different and it's white. So yeah. Thanks for watching.